Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix failed authentication on the Poppo Live. So if you want to be able to fix this as well, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it. So basically, firstly, I just closed the Poppo Live app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in here on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage. So I clicked on storage and then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So now when it's done, I just swiped up like this until I can see the search bar up top. So I clicked on search in here, then I searched for Poppo Live, as you can see. So just click on the app here. Now you're just going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Now just simply wait for the Poppo Live app to completely update to its latest version. So by doing this, by the way, you're going to make sure that you're going to get the absolute latest version that the Poppo Live app actually has to offer right now for us. And for some reason, this actually fixed this problem for me. So when it was done, I just went back into the app. I tried once again. Now my authorization actually worked. But if it still is not working for you, you might actually have to reach out to their support, just so you know. So make sure that you just actually go into the Poppo Live support. If you can chat with them, that is great, or maybe even send them just an email and explain that you're not able to actually complete the authorization and ask them for support. And hopefully after that, you will be able to fix this as well.